Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one we're doing looked after children. Let's see what we have. Data back to 2018, over 100,000 rows of data, and you can see here the 5 tables and the descriptions of them. So I've queried each of them as there's only a few. First of all, by characteristics, so you can see the sorts of data we've got with the columns here. And there's the CLA groups, and then the characteristics, there's all that, and if I just scroll up so you can see the rest, there's some more. You'd pause the video just if you actually want to read it, and that's the rest. Next table, during New Year placements, so you can see the data there, the 2 CLA groups, and there's the characteristics. LA of placement net gain, that's this lot here, those are the characteristics there, see. Started to be looked after. Not much I can say really, just beyond what's already on the screen here. If I just scroll down on the characteristics so you can see what there is. That's most of them, and there's the rest. And last table, values per 10,000 aged under 18. You can see here the column headings and the 3 different metrics. So that's that. Thanks.